Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Xbox Series XS black screen with sound display not showing after boot. So fix 1 is you can simple boot the Xbox in low resolution mode. Turn off your Xbox by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Remove any game disk from the console. Start the console in low resolution mode. Then click on Xbox Series X. You can press and hold the power and eject button together until you hear the second startup beep, about 10 seconds after the first beep. Now for Xbox Series S, you can press and hold the power and pair the sync button together until you hear the second startup beep. Now once the display appear, you can go to settings, then click on general, then click on TV and display. Then after you can select a resolution that is supported by the TV or the monitor. Fix 2. Perform a hard power cycle. Press and hold the power button on the front of the Xbox for 10 seconds until it turns off completely. Unplug the power cable from the back of the console. Now wait 5 to 10 minutes. Reconnect the power cable and turn the Xbox back on and check if the display return. Fix 3. Check the HDMI connection. Make sure the HDMI cable is connected to the HDMI out port on the Xbox. Now disconnect and reconnect the HDMI cable securely. Now try a different HDMI port on your TV or monitor. Now test with another ultra high speed HDMI cable, preferably the original Xbox cable. Now connect the Xbox directly to the TV bypassing any soundbar, the AV receiver, HDMI switch or capture card. If possible, test the Xbox on a different TV or monitor to determine whether the issue is with the console or the display. Fix 4. Display 24 Hz and HDR. So press the Xbox button to open the guide. Now go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on General and now click on TV and Display option. Now select Video mode and turn off Allow 24 Hz. Now if the problem continues, temporarily disable the HDR on other advanced display options and test again. Now the fix 5. Reset the Xbox, keep games and apps. If the problem persists, reset the Xbox operating system without deleting or installed games or saved data. Then turn off the Xbox completely and press and hold the pair or sync button, then press the power button. Now continue holding the pair button until you hear the second startup beep to open the Xbox troubleshooter. Now select reset this Xbox and choose keep games and apps to reinstall the system software while preserving your games and save data. Goodbye and thanks for watching.